What up, guys? Gudasol here from Machine Minds. It's Build November, so we're approaching the last week of November. At the beginning, I mentioned a few things I was working on, so I wanted to show you this. I finally had the time. I spent about 2 days on this, to be honest, but yesterday was the big day. All of this, pending some modifications and things like that, was generated with ChatGPT, and it was with Kogo using our personality through the GPT engine. So basically, what is happening here? Well, I'm funded by a grant to build tools for Web 4 on Wax blockchain. So what I did is I'm basically using an existing library. I'm bringing it in here, Atomic Assets, and then I'm creating these functions that get specific templates and NFTs that are using our Web4 standard. So basically, I'm going to package this up. I'm going to make this package as well as one other package, which I'll be working on today. And this is going to fulfill that grant and net me about $5,000. Oh yeah, I was looking at this. Check this out. I was planning to make a little training about how to make custom GPTs, but this guy's got a really cool tool that allows you to crawl a document site and put it in to a GPT. So I wanted to show you what I built. This sort of test page was also generated by ChatGPT. I just clicked this button and I got, I'm gonna click this one because it takes a second, but I got this. And what's happening here is I'm getting the schemas from my NFT collection that have these particular fields, and it tells me exactly what fields I have. These are the Web 4 fields. I wrote the Web 4 manifesto where I'm talking about space-time metadata. So that is dealing with geography as well as dealing with time. This is getting the templates, and then we can also get the NFTs, and this is like a test. So I'm sorry. This allows you to get a specific an attribute. So if this NFT has a rarity attribute set to epic, it's going to be returned here. Although I'm not sure. Okay, yes. So get NFTs by field. Both buttons are named the same. That's not very good. But there's probably two of these. So this has got to be the last one. 989 at the end. 989 here. So what is happening? Actually, most of these are epic. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so this is the final. This is the final one. So it just updated because there's no common NFTs that have that particular field. Here you can see all the other ones. So let's see. I'm pretty sure I have some mythic fields. So get NFTs by field. So now the last one, we have the mythics field, and you can see that this top NFT, the 9842, is not the same as this other NFT, so it is getting a unique list. I'm just limited at 100 results, so that's why it kind of looks the same. So anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this demo. I'm using Svelte. I'm using the Svelte GPT. You're welcome to use all of these tools. And also, I got a request for a demo. So honestly, man, I'm referring to everybody, but honestly, I've been really busy. So I haven't had time to produce a lot of things. And when I do, I'm probably going to produce stuff on GPTs, like how to make GPTs. But in vez of that type of thing, here's some of what I've been using to build it. So basically what I do is I ask vague instructions of what I want. I get back these responses, and then I'll either put back in the code and ask what I need, or usually I can just ask what I need. So this was a case in which I wasn't exactly sure what was going on, so I had to add console logs. Of course, some in the community will say, oh, you should be using this, this, or this, the testing suite, blah, blah, blah. I'm old school. I like to use console.logs. I think there's a lot of people that spend more time writing tests than they do architecting their code, and I try to be the other way around. So yeah, sorry for rambling so much. Also check out the Swift GPT that we made and released yesterday. That's all I got, and please share what you're working on, man. I've been really lonely in the Builders channel, and I know you guys are working on awesome stuff, and I want to learn from you. So please share what you're doing there. Peace.